In this video, we are unboxing the CV axle puller tool. The slide hammer body. The large puller plate with 63mm opening. The small puller plate with 48mm opening. The gloves. This tool is designed specifically for removing inner CV joints from vehicle axle shafts. Traditional pry bars and standard pullers is difficult to remove, easy to stuck in the transmission differential. The inner CV joint is seized and rusted in place. This tool uses the impact force of the slide hammer to pull the inner CV joint out smoothly. It prevents prying and hammering damage to the transmission, housing, seals, axle splines, and other components. Now let's go over the assembly and usage of this tool. Select the appropriate puller plate based on the vehicle application. Thread it onto the threaded side of the slide hammer. The lock nut can be adjusted to the desired position. Tighten it with a 24mm wrench. Place the assembled axle puller onto the inner CV joint. Secure the puller plate behind the inner side CV joint. Hold the handle with one hand and slide the hammer outward with the other hand to strike it. You may find that pulling from one angle doesn't work well, so we can adjust the angle based on the available space. Select a different angle and pull again. Now we change a different angle and complete the replacing demonstration again. With the CV axle puller, we can easily remove the axle shaft